Hey, double NKH over on the miscellaneous channel for a quick sound comparison on this 1967 Mustang. We're going to compare the Flowmaster 40 series versus these PYPES Street Pro mufflers. This is 2.5-inch piping all the way up to the cast iron factory manifolds. H pipes, no cats of course. It's basically a stock 289 engine with a cam that's similar to the K-Code 289, and let's fire it up. Now let's slap these Flowmasters on. I do remember these being made in USA, but I guess at some point that switched over because they're now made in China. Seem like pretty good solid construction though. Here's a look at them side by side. The pipes is stainless steel over the Flowmaster. Well, it feels like maybe a little bit thicker steel on the Flowmaster. Weight wise though, oh yeah, Flowmaster definitely got some more weight to it. I've never seen one of these rust out. This being some grade of stainless, they will still rust, but I don't know if they'll rust out either. Here's a glance at the inside of the Street Pro and at the Series 40 inlet side. This isn't marked inlet or outlet, but of course it does have this arrow, but I don't think these matter because they look identical side to side. And the Flowmaster is not identical side to side. Let's throw them on and see how they sound. Drive it and see how the drone is and whatnot, but my first thoughts are that sounds a little better. It sounds more like a Mustang should, and the others just have a more unrefined kind of truck sound, at least with this particular engine. I'm not saying pipes are bad mufflers, just saying with this one. Speaking of loud mufflers, some bikes ripping by out there on the highway. Yeah, guess I'll take for a ride and see.